Hi there, I'm Ray Miller from Audio Advisor. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 6 most common mistakes our audio experts see customers make again and again. These simple fixes can dramatically improve your listening experience without spending a lot of money. So let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is positioning speakers too close to walls or corners. Our experts see this constantly. When speakers are too close to walls, you get exaggerated boomy bass and smeared mid-range due to early reflections and standing waves. Your music loses clarity and detail, making instruments sound artificial. The solution? Pull those speakers out 1 to 2 feet from both sides and back walls. Rule of thumb, a little more is better than a little less. Start with them pointing straight ahead, then gradually toe them in toward your listening position, just an inch at a time, until you find that sweet spot where everything clicks into perfect balance. Mistake number 2, trapping your electronics in cabinets with limited or no ventilation. Heat is the enemy of electronics. Trapped heat reduces component lifespan and can trigger thermal protection circuits. Your system might shut down, perform erratically, or fail prematurely. Plus, sound quality degrades as components heat up. The fix is simple. Ensure proper ventilation. Leave cabinet doors open during use. Add cabinet vents and cooling fans, or relocate your gear to a well-ventilated area. Your components will last longer and perform better. Mistake 3 is placing speakers too close to your turntable, CD player, or other source components. Those speaker vibrations travel right into your turntable or other source. This causes feedback, resulting in rumble, skipping, or distorted sound, especially devastating for vinyl lovers. The solution? Create separation. Place your turntable on a stable, separate surface away from the speakers. For even better results, use a vibration isolation platform under your turntable and isolation feet under your speakers. If the speakers must be placed close to the turntable, or if the speakers are unusually large, the best solution is to put your turntable on a wall-mounted shelf. This will cure your problem. Mistake 4 is ground loops, one of our biggest customer challenges. Ground loops occur when components share multiple electrical paths to ground, creating a circular current that introduces audible hum and buzz into your system. To solve this, try plugging all your components into the same power outlet or power strip. Use ground lift adapters when necessary, but with caution. For persistent problems, isolation transformers or specialized ground loop eliminators can work wonders. Still having issues? Give us a call. Our experts can help troubleshoot your specific setup. Mistake number 5, pairing expensive audio gear with cheap cables. Our experts see this constantly. Customers return gear they don't like, but the real culprit is often their low-grade cables. Poor cables introduce noise, limit bandwidth, and degrade signal transfer, creating harsh treble, weak bass, and loss of detail. The solution is to invest in quality cables appropriate for your system's level. You don't need to spend a fortune, but match cable quality to component quality. There has been some debate about the importance of good audio cables, but in our experience, customers are rarely satisfied with their sound without good cables. So, how much should you spend? For budget audio systems under $2,000, your cable budget should be 5 to 6% of the total system cost. For mid-range systems costing $2,000 to $10,000, aim for a budget of 6 to 8%. And for high-end systems, we recommend a budget of 10% or more. When in doubt, give us a call. We've helped thousands of audiophiles find the best bang for their buck cables for their systems. Mistake number 6, and it's a fundamental one, neglecting your source quality. Think of it like this. Your audio system is only as good as what you feed it. Look at these waveforms. On the left, that's low-quality audio, like those heavily compressed files on your phone. See how much detail is missing? It's squished and simplified. On the right, that's high-resolution audio, capturing so much more information. Even the most amazing sound system can't magically create detail that isn't there in the first place. It's like trying to magnify a blurry photo. You just get a bigger blurry photo. To get the best sound, you have to start with the best source. Think high-quality files like FLAC or WAV, or high-res streaming, and invest in components designed to handle them properly. A good phono cartridge, DAC, or CD player. A better source instantly elevates your entire listening experience. Remember, good input, good output. There you have it. 6 simple fixes that can dramatically improve your listening experience. Have you made any mistakes that you've learned from your own experience? We'd love to hear about it, so please drop a comment below. Our team at Audio Advisor has decades of combined experience solving these exact issues. Questions about your specific setup? Give us a call at 1-800-942-0220 or visit our website at audioadvisor.com. We're always here to help you get the most from your audio system. I'm Ray Miller. Thanks for watching. And here's to better sound.